Hi guys, it's Divine Spirit of Sun. I'm here. I'm doing the Libra read. Let's see, we'll just put it right there. This is for the second week of February. Libra read for the second week of February. Okay, let's get started. Libra read for the second week of February. Divine Spirit, Holy Spirit, be with me. Guide me in the message for Libras for the second week of February. Divine Spirit, Holy Spirit, guide me in giving the most accurate read for Libra. Okay. All right. Divine Spirit, Holy Spirit, please give me the message for Libra for the second week of February. Okay. I'm ready to begin. Oh, that wants to come out right away. And there's two. Okay, that's a few too many. So this is the first. It's the Knight of Pentacles. Up there. Knight of Pentacles. And the second card out was the Four of Cups. And the third card out was Four of Swords. And the next card was the Queen of Rods. And the Ace of Cups. Okay, so with the Knight of Pentacles, this can be a stable gentleman who typically is a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, an earth sign. Maybe this Libra is dealing with an earth sign or someone who has a lot of earth in their chart. And the next card being the Five of Cups tells me that, you know, maybe in the past this Libra had felt left out or is dealing with someone who is focused on the three cups that are spilt instead of focusing on the two cups behind him. The Four of Swords is my no talkie card. I call it the library card because it's silent, right? So I think in the past, you know, dealing with this certain earth sign or someone who has earth signs qualities can be kind of difficult because, you know, they're usually more focused on the empty cups, the three empty cups, rather than focusing on the two cups behind them. You know, and in the past, not having communication about this probably leaves this Libra feeling like it's her fault or his fault. With this Queen of Wands, though, she is awesome. So it's kind of standing in your knowing that, you know, the Queen of Wands represents Leo, Sagittarius, Aries, but it can just be embodying that kind of take action mentality. And the Ace of Cups, you know, is our wish fulfillment card. It's, you know, maybe from this Libra taking certain actions and standing in her power. It can leave this earth sign feeling, you know, maybe in the past focusing on what you know, is not important is not going to bother this Libra who's kind of embodying that super strong fiery energy, right? Because like she realizes her Ace of Cups is right in front of her. But I feel like this Libra is not going to focus on the past anymore, you know, and with the Queen of Rods right there, it's saying that, look, you know, I've seen what we've done in the past, or what you've chosen in the past, and she's going forward to her Ace of Cups. So let's get a clarifier out for, I'm going to do 5 more cards, clarify them all, right? Woo! That's too many. We're going to put that back here. Okay, so there's 2. And yeah, so we have the 9 of Swords and the Tower. So in the past, this Libra has felt, you know, the 9 of Swords, look at the card, it definitely says, you know, feeling left out and sleepless nights, maybe about this earth sign. It can be dealing with a fire sign. Maybe this Libra is dealing with a fire sign as well. Swords typically represent Gemini, Aquarius, or Libra. So, you know, not the Ace of Cups being right here, and this 9 of Swords being in the King of Pentacles situation here, right in front of that card, tells me that this Libra probably did feel left out in the cold by this energy that has a lot of earth in their chart. And with the Tower right in front of the 3 of Cups, it's realizing, I think that although this Libra might see that there is 2 cups behind, but that there's a lot of work to be done. Because when the Tower blows up, that can also kind of mean like revelations, you know, or a sudden action happening that maybe you didn't expect to happen. So we'll pull 3 more cards here. Okay, next card out. Yeah, the 6 of Swords. 6 of Swords and the 4 of Swords position here. And so 6 of Swords to me means moving away from not talking, not communicating, having this kind of Tower moment that, you know, maybe sparked up the conversation about this. And it can also mean that, you know, this Libra doesn't want to hold on to the past. They're going to take their 6 of Swords and keep moving forward, right? And we'll put this up as well. Put that there. Okay, so we need a couple more cards out. Let's finish this story for Libra. Whoa, that one came flying out. Yeah, so the Knight of Cups. So the Knight of Cups, it's a small gesture, but it is movement forward. And cups ultimately do mean love, emotions, feelings. And in the Queen of Rods position, it's moving forward with this small, maybe gesture, or maybe this small movement towards their Ace of Cups. Get another card out here. Oh, and we got 2. We'll take them. Yeah, the Knight of Swords and the Star. So the Knight of Swords being in the position here of the Ace of Cups. And then the Star card out. So it's exactly like I was just thinking. So there was a small gesture of maybe love and emotions with information to follow, right? Information towards, the Star can mean Aquarius, but make sure to always check your sun, moon, and rising and Venus sign, right? And so with this small, maybe small gesture, I feel like for this Libra, there was a small gesture of love and movement forward. The Knight of Swords representing, so cups represent Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, and the Knight of Swords represents Libra, Gemini, Aquarius. And the star card is Aquarius's card, but I feel like making movements towards the star, right? I also see the star card as, you know, wishing on a star, having a wish, maybe seeing common ground with either this couple or a situation to where they might see the end result. Maybe they will get their wish fulfillment, their wish on a star. So let's do a couple more clarifiers. I'm kind of so and that card was already flipped over. We have the Three of Swords. So yeah, it's making movements from a third-party situation. Remember, third-party situations aren't always a cheating scenario. I feel like in this, it could have been, you know, the Libra or the energy that the Libras, that the story's kind of talking about here is that maybe they're both making the effort to move away from third parties, but third parties can also be, you know, addictions and families, and maybe this energy is seeing that a situation in the past dealing with this earth/water energy is, you know, making the effort to move forward, which is awesome. Right there. Okay. Here we go. Oh, there's two. Woohoo. Okay. We'll take the two. All right. Yeah. Seven of Swords, right where the Tower position was. So yeah, moving away from this energy, you know, maybe making the choice to not carry that burden anymore for either the Libra energy or whoever Libra is dealing with, because the next card out was the Six of Rods, right? So choosing not to deal with those burdens of the past, moving forward. Like I said, rods are, you know, love and action, right? And, you know, kind of having a goal in mind of what direction to go. In the Knight of Cups position, it's the Ten of Rods, right? So not gonna choose to carry the burden anymore of maybe past ideas or past situations. Really, if you look, like, most of the cards are moving forward. They're even like looking forward, right? So the next card out is the Queen of Pentacles. And so she is a queen that focuses on her money and, you know, usually has a game plan, pretty focused. Maybe, you know, this Libra just finding out that, you know, their love is going to make movements towards them, and the Libra's feeling more stable at this time as well with the Queen of Pentacles. And the last card out, oh, I love it, Ten of Cups. So I think in this situation, there is a common goal of wanting wish fulfillment and a happy, you know, love life or family. It can even be a work situation. Like the Ten of Cups is the most favorite card to me. It's ultimate, like, wish fulfillment. Bottom of the deck, yeah, the High Priestess. So being divinely guided to do so, right? Being kind of, you know, nudged by the universe, maybe to open, you know, both these people's eyes. Great read today, Libra. I hope you liked it, and we will talk soon. So this is your read for the second week of February. Take it easy, guys.